everybody. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, last day of school before our week off of spring break. I'm going to go over today's assignments and it should be pretty quick today. So just a reminder that our learning target for character is I can show compassion by helping others. Braylon yesterday sent me a video of helping cook breakfast. That was one really great way that we can show compassion by helping around the house. I can't wait to see what other ways you guys come up with. Let's move into skills. So our skills assignment today is I can write a simple sentence. And this is kind of putting together a lot of things that we've been working on in terms of reading words, using capital letters and periods, and writing our best sentences. So you're going to get the sheet of paper that looks like this, called Simple Sentences. The first thing you're going to do is read the sentence. Remember, you can circle cite words and tap out the other words. So you're going to read that. Then you're going to trace it. It's written down here. And then you're going to write it. So you're going to copy it. And the last thing you get to do is cut out the words. They all got mixed up and put them back in the right order. So that should be pretty straightforward for you with all of the practice that we've had so far. Our writing assignment is finishing our writing about the live oak tree. So our learning target is I can write about the live oak tree to teach others using information from my research. So remember, we're trying to teach others about what you learned. So just like earlier in the week, you're going to need your notes from Monday. You can look back on the story if you'd like, and you're going to need today's writing sheet. It has today's date on it. This one is a new sheet from yesterday. And today we're going to write about how much sunlight the tree needs. So we're going to do that just like the earlier days by first looking back on our notes and finding the spot where we see sunlight. Oh, right here. I remember when we read about sunlight, I only colored in half of the sun. That tells me that the live oak tree only needed some sun. It didn't need a lot of sun. So on my sentence, I might write, the live oak tree needs some sun. You could even add not a lot of sun. So I'm going to say the live oak tree needs some sun. And then, just like always, I'm going to touch each line to remind myself of what the words are. The live oak tree needs some sun. Okay, now I'm going to write each word. The live oak, remember you can use your note catcher to find that. The live oak tree needs, oh, I see the word need right here. Need. So I can copy that. Needs some sun. Oh, it almost sounds just like sun. Great. And then when you finish, remember you're going to circle one thing you did a good job of, or if you did a great job on a lot of things, you can do that. And one or two things that you want to get better of, and then rewrite your sentence down below. The back side of this sheet is an extra one, so if you want to do more writing and you want to write about the other parts of the tree that we didn't get to, you are certainly welcome to. It's writing about the leaves and the trunks of the live oak tree. So if you want to write about the leaves and the trunk that we read about, you can work on the back side as well. Our math today is lesson 27. So the learning target is I can model decomposing to 10 using pictures and number bonds. So really similar to what we've been doing the last 2 days, but we've been working up to 9, and today we're going to work up to 10. And today we're going to use pictures and number bonds. So let me show you how to start this. This problem set has 2 pages, front and back. So the first one says, Benjamin has 10 bananas. He dropped some of the bananas. Fill in the number bond to show his bananas. So you're going to look at the picture and see which ones that he dropped and which ones He did not drop, and those are our 2 parts. So I'm going to count the ones he dropped. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like he dropped 4, so that's 1 part. And then I'll count the other parts to see which parts add together to make 10 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he dropped 4, he didn't drop 6. So that's how I would fill in my number bond. Let me read the next 2 to you, and the next 2 you're going to have to do some drawing and coloring. Savannah has 10 pairs of glasses. 5 of them are green and the rest are purple. Color and fill in the number bond. So you're going to color 5 of them green, or if you don't have green, you can just shade 5 of them in with another color, and the rest of them purple. So then you're going to color in 5 of them green, the rest of them purple, and then fill in the number bond to show which parts add to 10. On the bottom it says Xavier has 10 baseballs. You're going to draw 10 baseballs to start. Then it says some were white and the rest were gray. Draw the balls, draw 10 baseballs, color some of them white and some of them gray. So you get to decide how many you want to be white and how many you want to be gray, and then fill in the number bond. Similar to the next page, really similar to the baseball problem, you're going to do some drawing yourself. So it says they were 10 dragons, some were flying and some were running. Draw the dragons. Draw some of them flying in the sky and some of them running on the ground, and then fill in your number bond to show how many add up to 10. In the box below, you get to get really creative today, and you get to make your own story, your own number story to 10. Draw your story and a number bond to go with it. So think about the objects that you want to use to show it and what your 2 parts are, whether things are in the sky and on the ground, or things are one color and another color. Think about the parts that you want to use, and get creative and have fun with it. If this is challenging for you, you can work on the lesson 27 homework to keep practicing. And then after spring break, we'll pick up with more practicing decomposing numbers into parts. All right, that's it for me today. I hope you guys really have a great spring break. If you haven't finished your work from earlier in these 3 weeks, I recommend that you spend a little bit of time on spring break trying to catch up on some of that, so that you can be on target with what we're going to be doing after spring break. If you have finished all your work and you're looking for more things to do, I sent a few free websites on the bottom of your tracker that you can look at, and then if you need any more, you can definitely reach out to me and let me know. All right, I hope you have a great spring break, and I'll see you after break. Bye, guys.